MI9020 Bike Wall Mount with Shelf and Hooks. Installation. Before mounting on the wall, determine the mounting height for the bicycle you intend to mount. Use a stud finder to locate the wall studs. Then, hold the wood stud template to the wall at the desired height. Mark the bolt holes in the template with a pencil through the holes that correspond to the center of your wall studs. Use a 3/16 drill bit and drill on the marked locations. Attach the wood stud crossbars to the stud using the provided lag screws. Hang the accessory rack onto the upper crossbars through the two keyhole-shaped slots, ensuring that they are in the smaller end of the slot. Then, secure the rack to the lower crossbars using the provided washers and nuts on the two lower bolts. Hang the bike rack over the same two upper bolts and again ensure that they are seated fully in the smaller end of the keyhole-shaped holes. Secure the bike rack to the wall using the provided nuts. Then, place the bolt covers over the 6 bolt locations shown here. For concrete or brick wall installation, hold the accessory rack to the wall in the desired location, then mark the 5 bolt holes with a pencil and remove the accessory rack from the wall. Use a 3/8 drill bit and drill on the marked locations to a depth of 2.6 inches. Insert the concrete anchors into the 5 drilled holes. Partially install the 2 lag screws in the 2 locations shown here that correspond to the keyhole-shaped slots on the accessory mount. Leave a gap of approximately 4 millimeters between the wall and the bottom of the screw heads. Hang the accessory rack onto the 2 screw heads through the 2 keyhole-shaped slots, ensuring that they are fully in the smaller end of the slot. Then, secure the rack to the wall through the 2 lower holes using the 2 lag screws. Secure the bike rack to the wall using 1 more lag screw through the middle hole. Then, tighten the 2 hanging lag screws as well. Place the bolt covers over the 5 bolt locations shown here. Hang the bicycle on the rack and use the additional space and hooks as needed to store helmets, keys, locks, and other accessories. Use the tire strap to prevent the front tire and handlebars from rotating.